concrete roofs have a tendency to hold water and puddles foam when it does not have a proper runoff. When not protected with waterproofing, water will enter the concrete slab and mold will form. Newly laid concrete roofs must be waterproofed and the waterproofing maintained. If not looked after, waterproofing systems will crack and lift off the slab. Now, water underneath the waterproofing damages the slab and forms mold. Description: this concrete roof was left for too long without any proper maintenance. The waterproofing system is failing as a result of the attack of UV beams. It is cracked and starts to lift from the slab, leaving a pocket for water to accumulate. Mold is forming and some interior water damage in the building is apparent. This is as a result of the deterioration of the old waterproofing system. Work commenced. Total removal of damaged waterproofing. Removal of dust and debris with a high-power hose. Applying a new bonding agent on top of the concrete slab and the new waterproofing system as per the manufacturer's specifications. A coat of paint will seal the waterproofing, protecting it against UV beams. Outcome: this waterproofing system offers a lifespan of approximately 20 years with a maintenance plan after every 5 years. Tremco offers a 5-year guarantee on all material and workmanship. An extended guarantee every 5 years is issued every 5 years with the maintenance plan. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708 270.